Continue to follow developing news tonight as a judge has denied bond for Charleston County's now suspended emergency management director. Jason Patno faces kidnapping, assault and burglary charges in connection with an ex-girlfriend who claims he was abusive. News 2's Kate Prestak joins us live from Sheriff Al Cannon Detention Center where Patno is being held. And Kate, emotions, very emotional at today's bond hearing.
That's right, and while bond was not set, the judge also ordering no contact between Patno and the victim, who gave an emotional testimony during the hearing.
In 2016, I thought I met the man of my dreams, but the past 5 years have been a nightmare. If Jason thought he had nothing to lose in Easter 2019, when he threatened to kill me, he has everything to lose now.
Jason Patno's ex-girlfriend detailing what she describes as years of physical, emotional, and mental abuse.
He kicked my door frame in out of anger. He held a gun to my head after a male friend called me. I consoled him after his mother passed away. Within 2 days, he broke into my home, bashed my head on the floor, giving me a traumatic brain injury from which I lost 2 senses: smell and taste.
While the relationship ended more than a year and a half ago, she says the intimidation, harassment, and stalking continue.
Domestic violence is so hidden. I have lived in constant fear of my life from him. My friends and family also fear, as he's violent and extremely unpredictable.
Patno's lawyer painting a different picture of his client, highlighting Patno's accolades that range from serving in the military to receiving a 9/11 Ground Zero Medal of Honor. He also says Patno isn't a flight risk.
He was part of the 1,000-year flood in 2015, civil unrest in May of last year. He was part of the 2007 Haitian reparation for the earthquakes that happened in Haiti. Judge, I say all that because, again, we understand the seriousness of the charges. But Mr. Patno is a human being, and he has no criminal record.
The judge ultimately deciding the best place for Patno right now is behind bars. Patno's attorneys also say that they are conducting their own investigation. Patno is expected back for a hearing in 2 weeks. For now, live in North Charleston, I'm Kate Prestak. Count on 2.